Hey guys, look, the first time I've had to replace some bulbs in the third top mount brake light here, and I found it absolutely impossible to get out. Should be pretty straightforward. There's two nuts that come off here, and then once they're off you should be able to push it through. But I found it completely jammed. No matter what I did, I just couldn't get it to pop. So what I've had to do is actually remove this piece of trim which runs along the top of the glass. Really straightforward to pop out. You can do it from the right hand side here with any sort of hook tool, and then once you're in, there's a few opportunities here to sort of gently lever it out. And that was pretty much the only way I could free mine up. So in summary, there's only really the two nuts holding it in. But if we take a closer look, you can see at the top here, there seem to be these clip mechanisms which make it a little bit tricky to get out. So if you're struggling to get yours out, like I was, there's nothing else holding it in. It just needs a little bit of gentle persuasion, but of course, be careful because it's likely to be getting old brittle plastic. Mine came out okay, but yeah, just a little bit of gentle persuasion to get it out, and you can go ahead and change the bulbs, which I'll show you next. So once you've got it out, you just twist these out to access the bulb. Just replace the ones that are blown. I might just swap them all, considering they're all original as far as I know. So really straightforward, they just pop out. I've got a heap here that I picked up on clearance ages ago, so